Trusty Rick here. I'm going to be starting a new project. We're going to continue to working on the 58 Plymouth, but I wanted to show off the new project that I'm going to be starting on. So I'm going to walk around and show you guys what we got going on. Okay, here it is. 1937 Hudson Terraplane business coupe. Really solid car. Show you guys around here. Engine department. Not sure what motor I'm gonna go with yet. Might do an LS swap in it. But we'll see as we build the project and get to that point. Inside here, floors are solid in it, besides a little spot over on the driver's side. I pretty much got all the pieces for this car, original pieces anyway. Got the rear fenders, got all that stuff. Trunk here, it's all good and solid. See right there's the little bad spot on the driver floor. Nothing serious. Actually, I think I got a patch panel for it. Got a bunch of extra spare parts for this car too. But thinking about doing LS swap. Good chance anyway. Gonna do Mustang 2 front end, maybe a 4-link in the back. Gonna keep it basically original looking on the outside. Pretty cool style, especially with the grill. Not 100% sure on the color yet, but like something like black cherry or something would look really good on this car. So that might be what I end up doing. But just wanted to make a short video, show you what the next project is going to be. Going to continue working on the Plymouth also, but definitely want to get rolling on this one and get it coming along. So we'll be making more videos as we build this car. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.